It was a holy second. The Andromeda Nebula overnight have become the Andromeda Galaxy. For years our knowledge of the Andromeda Galaxy was restricted to ground-based observations. However, with advancements in era and the delivery of the James Webb Space Telescope, our knowledge has grown past measure. Now things are about to trade, as the James Webb Space Telescope has detected alarming signals coming from the Andromeda Galaxy. Those indicators have dispatched shock waves via the clinical network, leaving astronomers both stimulated and curious. However, what precisely do these indicators mean, and most significantly, why are they inflicting this sort of stir among astronomers? Join us, as just 2 minutes ago the James Webb Telescope closed down after receiving alarming signals from the Andromeda Galaxy. Before we could see a ways beyond our eyes into the cosmos, astronomers believed the Milky Way to be the complete universe. This loss of perception became in general because of constrained era for seeing diverse galaxies and individual stars. However, the entirety modified when we found the Andromeda Galaxy. It served as our first hint to understanding that the universe stretches a ways beyond the Milky Way in human imagination. All of it commenced inside the 17th century when Galileo Galilei's pioneering paintings with telescopes discovered the Milky Way's authentic nature. He saw that the Milky Way had numerous stars. Tough, the triumphing concept of its singular importance. Everything changed in the 1920s when Edwin Hubble discovered remote gadgets beyond the Milky Way using the Hooker telescope. Edwin observed that these celestial gadgets transferring through the cosmos were galaxies different from the Milky Way. One of them, the galaxy, changed into the Andromeda Galaxy, or M31. While this changed into the first time we have been seeing the Andromeda Galaxy via a telescope, Persian astronomer Abd Alaman al-Sufi first sighted it across the 10th century. Thanks to the technological advancements in the 20th century, astronomers may want to see and understand the genuine nature and essence of Andromeda. Andromeda is a nebulous cloud consisting of extensive galaxy of stars. Just like our Milky Way, our cosmic neighbor is about 25 million m-years far from the Milky Way. Since its discovery, the way we take a look at Andromeda has profoundly developed. We've moved from floor primarily based observations through telescopes to area observatories like the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Every advanced in era has taken us to new heights, helping us apprehend the secrets of the Andromeda Galaxy. We now have more data and perception into its composition and shape, making Andromeda a benchmark for analyzing the formation and growth of galaxies. This has shed extra light on the broader working standards of the universe. Scientists consider that to have a better knowledge of our universe, the Milky Way, we ought to take a look at the dating between Andromeda and the Milky Way. This is mainly authentic for the reason that both galaxies are bound to collide in approximately 4 billion years. While research and investigations have advanced, the James Webb Telescope recently obtained a regarding signal from Andromeda. This alarming sign baffles scientists worldwide, prompting questions about its precise foundation and potential implications. The James Webb Telescope's advanced sensors have detected unusual activity. Proper internal Andromeda Center, the sign sent again to scientists shows results that vary significantly from beyond observations. Intriguing scientists worldwide, the sign shows principal procedures going on in the galaxy, probably connected to its extremely good huge black hole or previously undiscovered occurrences. Significantly, one of the modern findings indicates that Andromeda's mass may be a lot bigger than that of the Milky Way, reshaping our information of each galaxy sizes. The James Webb Telescope has addition ally furnished targeted images and spectra of Andromeda, unveiling the formation of latest stars and their chemical compositions. This new statistics are critical for understanding galactic evolution and potential situations for existence. Additionally, the records from the telescope indicate multiplied pastime in Andromeda's active galactic nucleus. This has in the long run impacted its surrounding environment and is anticipated to form its future structure. Moreover, through looking into the gravitational consequences on stars inside Andromeda, researchers gain insights into the distribution of mysterious darkish depend throughout the galaxy. Hopefully this facilitates similarly our understanding of its have an effect on the dynamics at play inside the cosmos. As things are understanding dark depend, and its impact on the universe is one in all humanity's greatest puzzles. Latest breakthroughs by way of the James Webb Telescope have prompted various studies worldwide as scientists check out the secrets and techniques of Andromeda. With more information coming to mind, we now realize greater approximately the galaxies beyond and destiny. So what have we learned approximately the Andromeda Galaxy through numerous studies? Andromeda has proven marvelous characteristics that distinguish it from other galaxies spread across the universe. Its sheer length instructions interest, with latest tests suggesting a diameter spanning around 220,000 light-years. This figure makes it one among the most important galaxies within the nearby institution, even bigger than the Milky Way. This extensive scale contributes to its mass, consisting of an expected trillion stars, surpassing our galaxy in stellar be counted. Researchers additionally find the galaxy shape charming. Unlike a typical spiral galaxy, Andromeda has a bulging middle and a dense nucleus enclosed inside earrings of dirt and gasoline. This is undoubtedly a fertile floor for ongoing star Formation. Such functions show a dynamic galaxy created by means of continual procedures shaping its evolution. Among its many features, one of particular interest is its nucleus. Its miles characterized via a double-tube emission, hinting at the presence of a first-rate huge black hole, just like but different from the Milky Ways. This offers important insights into the nature and activities of these massive count-consuming holes. The Andromeda Galaxy is likewise encircled by using a sphere of stellar debris, which includes stars, planetary and globular clusters spanning loads of lots of mild years in diameter. This cosmic overlaying tells a fascinating detailed tale of the galaxy's particular beginning and history. The 460 globular clusters determined in Andromeda additionally provide perception into the formation of stars in the very early level, imparting a clear clarification of the formation of megastar clusters and the early improvement of the galaxy in piecing together the mystery of Andromeda. Astronomers are one step towards knowledge the cosmic relevance of darkish matter, but one query lingers: how do they account for its mysterious nature and the role it performs within the dynamics of galaxies? Andromeda boasts any other different feature: its satellite galaxies. Its halo shape is made of extra than 20 smaller galaxies, and some of them are present process tidal stripping in their stars and gasoline. This manner entails a large galaxy pulling in and destroying neighboring small galaxies, displaying the dynamic nature of cosmic evolution and portraying how galaxies develop and have interaction with every other over time. So what does the future hold for the Andromeda Galaxy? The shape and path of its motion fascinate now not most effective astronomers, however, also the ones in search of to understand the cosmos. The opportunity of its transition from a spiral to a hoop galaxy is centrally strategic in Andromeda's improvement. Evidence factors to a perceived that would result in different rare combinations, likely from galactic collisions or close interactions with different galaxies. If Andromeda really is transferring in this path it approached, that it has skilled many interactions with different galaxies for the reason that its birth, ultimately Andromeda destiny, depends on the forthcoming collision with the Milky Way. According to those fashions, the collision is estimated to arise kind of 4 billion years from now. The result of any such collision is the start of a new galaxy from those two massive celestial entities. Though negative, the collision is a natural part of galactic improvement. However, because of the widespread distance between the galaxies, this galactic collision is not a right-way effect. After the collision, both galaxies might be appreciably restructured, forming new shapes and compositions. The interplay in their gases and dust will fire up new rounds of famous person creation to a large spectacle within the sky as the merging objects twinkle brightly. Sooner or later, this sort of cosmic occasion will result in the formation of a single elliptical galaxy. This type of collision is not particular, as the universe has an extended history of such. However, our direct participation is what makes it an event of interest to us. In addition, the expected collision of the super-large black holes on the nucleus of the two galaxies adds greater thriller to this celestial show. This indicates a complicated and deep nature of cosmic evolution. The merger is predicted to produce explosions from count being engulfed by the black hollow to be able to launch enormous radiation. This method offers essential information, approximately how galaxies circulate at some point of their lifespan and the way black holes have an effect on this evolution. However, it raises the essential query: what will happen to our Sun device after this merger is formed? Far from a total destruction of the Sun device, the solar system's orientation and conditions could be altered. Notably, this implies possible orbit shifts or even ejection from the newly emerged galaxy. To apprehend this mechanism, scientists can have a look at the value of similar occasions occurring and contextualize the eventual destiny of our very own galaxy. It's miles vital to keep in mind that a collision between stars is an extraordinary event in area due to the huge intergalactic distance, but the gravitational exchange could disturb stars' stable orbits, causing some stars, including our Sun, to alternate trajectories. Such an alternate should notably disrupt the climate on this planet. One of the maximum essential adjustments humans can revel in is shifting further away or towards the solar. This can cause either warming or cooling results. A hotter climate could make ice cap melt and Ca degrees rise, whilst a colder one might cause a brand new form of ice age. On pinnacle of that, the geometry of such a setup would possibly intrude with radiation levels coming to Earth, creating even extra challenging situations. In essence, the merger of the Andromeda and the Milky Way structures illustrates the complicated dating among celestial bodies. As the black holes in each galaxies get nearer over time, their gravitational actions can also increase the drift of high electricity debris, which could attain Earth in the end. This can create a brand new galaxy with greater traits and various possibilities for future research. This exceptional interplay of factors shows the dynamic interaction of forces forming the universe. This enhances the relevance of persevering with our quest for expertise and monitoring the cosmic occasions unfolding. The signals detected by way of the James Webb Space Telescope ought to redefine our information of Andromeda and its complicated history. We can also benefit insights into Andromeda's conduct that may offer essential clues to our galaxy's destiny. The journey of exploring and analyzing the Andromeda Galaxy is a superb chapter inside the records of cosmic discovery. From the first glance through a telescope to the complicated data being acquired nowadays, it indicates our journey to decipher the secrets and techniques of the universe. It was a profound moment. The Andromeda Nebula overnight have become the Andromeda Galaxy. 4 years understanding of the Andromeda Galaxy changed into restricted to ground-based observations. However, with technological advancement and the arrival of the James Webb Space Telescope, our comprehension has multiplied exponentially. These days, the James Webb Space Telescope detected startling alerts emanating from the Andromeda Galaxy, sending ripples via the scientific network, igniting each fascination and situation among astronomers. But what exactly are those indicators, and why are they inflicting this type of commotion among astronomers? Just moments in the past, the James Webb Telescope unexpectedly shut down after capturing these unsettling signals from Andromeda. Historically, our view of the universe changed into restricted to what we should see with the naked eye, leading astronomers to accept as true with that Milky Way changed into the complete cosmos. This narrow angle become, broadly speaking, due to the dir of superior era to observe other galaxies and individual stars. However, the whole lot shifted whilst we recognized the Andromeda Galaxy. It was our first clue that the universe extended a ways beyond the Milky Way, broadening our knowledge of the cosmos. The journey started out in the 17th century with Galileo Galilei, whose pioneering telescope work discovered the Milky Way's authentic nature, displaying it to be a big series of stars, challenging the then triumphing view of its singularity. Everything changed in the 20s when Edwin Hubble discovered distant gadgets beyond the Milky Way using the Hooker telescope. Edwin observed that those celestial gadgets transferring through the cosmos were galaxies unique from the Milky Way. One of them, the galaxy, become the Andromeda Galaxy, or M31. Even as this changed into the first time we were seeing the Andromeda Galaxy through a telescope, Persian astronomer Abd Al-Rahman al-Sufi first sighted it in the 10th century. Thanks to 20th century technological improvements, astronomers started out to get to the bottom of the real nature of Andromeda. It has become clean that Andromeda become a tremendous galaxy of stars just like our Milky Way, located approximately 25 million m-years away. Since its discovery, the techniques of studying Andromeda have substantially developed. We have transitioned from ground, primarily based observations via telescopes to space observatories like the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Every technological jump has propelled expertise, revealing the secrets of the Andromeda Galaxy. We now possess detailed statistics, approximately its composition and structure, making Andromeda a vital benchmark for analyzing galaxy formation and increase. This knowledge complements our broader comprehension of the universe's working. Scientists assert that to completely draw close the universe and the Milky Way's place within it, we need to discover the dating between Andromeda and the Milky Way. That is especially pertinent for the reason that both galaxies are bound to collide in approximately 4 billion years while research and investigations have advanced. The latest detection of a troubling signal from Andromeda by way of the James Webb Telescope has confused science worldwide, sparking questions about its foundation and implications. The telescope's sophisticated sensors detected unusual activity inside Andromeda Center, yielding consequences that starkly contrast with past observations. Intriguing scientists worldwide, the sign suggests massive approaches occurring in the galaxy, potentially connected to its excellent large black hole or previously undiscovered phenomena. Significantly, one of the latest findings suggests that Andromeda mass can be significantly greater than that of the Milky Way, altering our know-how of both galaxy sizes. The James Webb Telescope has furnished targeted images and spectra of Andromeda, unveiling the formation of latest stars and their chemical compositions, important for studying galactic evolution and capacity existence situations. Moreover, the statistics from the telescope indicate elevated hobby in Andromeda's active galactic nucleus. This has in the long run impacted its surrounding environment and is anticipated to form its future structure. Moreover, through looking into the gravitational consequences on Andromeda stars, researchers gain insights into darkish subjects distribution in the course of the galaxy.